Found her! Floor 407.
Oh my god, she's with the android. You've got to get her out of there.
Roderick, in literature, the author of Lucky was Jackie who?
Stuart.
No, the correct answer is Collins. Rose, the oldest inhabitant of the Isop galaxy, is the face of what?
Bo, the face of Bo.
That is the correct answer.
Come on! Come on!
Roderick, in history, who was the president of the Red Velvets?
Hoshbin Frame.
That is the correct answer. Rose, in food, the dish Gafferbeck originated on which planet?
Is it Mars?
No, the correct answer is Lucifer. Roderick, which measurement of length is said to have been defined by the Emperor Jate as the distance from his nose to his fingertip?
Would that be a goffle?
No, the correct answer is a palm. Rose, in fashion, Stella Pockpaint is famous for what?
Shoes.
No, the correct answer is hats. Roderick, in
Game room 6, which one is it?
I'm here.
Sam. Hazeldine.
No, the correct answer is Lancaster.
Stand back, let me blast it open.
Carnage made a major combination.
Rose, in history, which Icelandic city hosted Murder Spree 20?
Reykjavik.
No, the correct answer is Pola Ventura.
Oh my god, I've done it! You've lost!
Come on!
But I'm not meant to be here.
The strongest link.
I need to find the doctor. It's got to be here somewhere. He's always here.
600 credits.
You couldn't just leave me.
Thank you so much.
This game is illegal. I'm telling you to stop.
Leave this
Stop
time.
this game! I order you to stop this game! Stop!
You are the weakest link.
Help the android is on!
Sir! Down the gun or I'll have to shoot.